you're going to audition for Monstersongs, music and lyrics by Rob Rukicki? Good for you. Let's talk about this show, about the musical styles, and a few pro tips from some ghoulish friends. Now, Monstersongs is a spooky song cycle. A song cycle is a collection of songs loosely tied together with a theme. Now, the theme of this song cycle is, what if the monsters told their side of the story? Monstersongs is kind of the next evolution of a show like Wicked. You know, it's the lineage of what is the flip side of things. Perhaps our witch is not a witch, but a jilted lover. What about the troll under the bridge? They were shunned by society, and the dragon, who didn't want to have to ravage that town. But aside from that, there are also moments of real love in this show. We hear from Igor, who is faithful and dutiful to his master. We hear from a teen vampire and a teen zombie who both fall for a certain heartthrob for different reasons. But needless to say, this show has a lot of heart to it.
When they find a body, here's how they'll write the case. Man who has no heart lies without a smile on your hero's face.
Now, let's talk about your audition song. We need 32 bars of a scintillating, storytelling, pop rock, musical theater, or pop song. What does that mean? Now, in musical theater world, that means we need about 60 seconds. If we're singing something from the pop universe, we need a verse and a chorus. Or perhaps a bridge and a chorus. This show meanders through styles of rock, 80s pop, folk, bubblegum pop. The number of styles in this show are so multitudinous that many styles would be appropriate, so you might have something in your book already. Have a listen to the cast recording, then ask yourself, is there a song that I already have that evokes one of these styles? Or is there a character that resonates with me? Or does their story resonate with me? And then, is there a style of music that I know that I sing well? Then, look at your own book.
I learned, so I found the only brick I had it burned. And I went under, I hid under, I was down, down, down. I went under, I was down, down.
Here are a few pro tips from some fellow monsters.
Hello, my name is Orion Macias and I'm the Assistant Director to Monstersongs, here to offer you advice on your audition from an acting perspective. Now, even though these are monsters who are weird and wild and a lot of fun to portray, don't be afraid to show as much humanity as possible. Show us your flaws, even show us your melancholy, because at the end of the day, these monsters are just the people we don't pay enough attention to, which I'm sure is a very relatable thing, to not feel understood or not seen or even a little unsure of who you are. But that's good, that's all right, because whatever it is that you think makes you weird, be proud of that. Because in this show, we are all proudly monsters.
Hey Monsters, my name is Chloe Rodolfo and I'll be your assistant music director for Monstersongs. And one tip that I would give y'all for your auditions is that because the show is a pop rock style show, for your songs I would place any of your singing kind of in this general area, which is your mask, it's called your mask, just to give that brighter, more poppy sound that we're looking for.
Don't look me in the
Above all, be creative. This show is always winking at us. It's as if it knows a secret that it wants to tell us. So don't be afraid to have a little bit of mystery, a little bit of mischief. Monsters break legs. No, not literally. Don't break anyone's legs.